Hi kids, it's Nick again. So right now we're going to be checking how are newspaper reports organized and how can you plan one. If you guys go to page 32 of your book, you're going to find out this triangle. This triangle might look a little bit confusing, but it's just basically a pyramid that is upside down. In here you have all of the important information is going to be at the beginning of a news report article. For example, you're going to have who did it, what did they do, when did it happen, where did it happen, why, and how. Here I have a good example for you guys. This is the story about a little dog that was the oldest dog in the world and he finally died when he was 26 years old. So if you look, who was it? The world's oldest dog has died in, here you have the where, in Sakura, Japan. You also have extra information like when did he die? You know that he died when he was 26 years old and 8 months. For example, that would be the equal to 125 human years. We also have questions like why did he die and how did he die? If you guys look at the next one, well, here we get the name. His name is Pusuke. And you know that he died on Monday after suddenly falling ill. And how did he die? Well, he simply refused to eat. If you guys look again at the triangle, all of this is the most important information of your article. That's going to be all of the main things. You can also use the example that I have here in your Teams page. In the first part, you have the most important information. Then you have some supporting details, like when they say how the dog died and that he stopped eating. And then you also get some background details. Let's go back to the story. If you look in this one, we have extra information. For example, you have a quote from the owner saying, "Oh, I thank him for living so long with me. I felt as if he was my child." All of this is extra information. It helps you have an idea that the dog was loved, but it is not super important for your newspaper article. You also have some background information, like what happened in the past. You know that he was born in Shinohara's sister's home in March 1985, and that he became a pet on April 1st of that year. Then you can just have optional details. This is up to you what you want to include and what you would like to have in there. So I hope that this was a little bit clearer for you to understand how the inverted pyramid works and how all of these things are located and how they are used. If you have any questions, be sure to ask me in the chat and I'll be quick to answer. All right, I'll see you around.